Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nye, and today we are doing a coconut scented shower routine. Yay! So I'm just starting off with rinsing off my face so I can wash my face, and I'm going in with the CeraVe Cream to Foam Cleanser, and I'm also using this spin brush that I got off of Amazon. So y'all, my face has definitely been going through it, like dry patches in every single thing. So I got this spin brush to help with, give myself like a nice deep clean, and also help get rid of like the dry patches with like a light exfoliation, because I didn't want to go in with a physical exfoliant because like I didn't want nothing too harsh on my face. So it's really been helping. So I'm glad I found this spin brush, and y'all already know how I feel about this CeraVe facial wash. Like, it's just fi. So now that my face is clean, I'm just giving my body a nice good rinse so we could go ahead and cleanse the body. Yada yada. Of course, I'm going in with a bar soap, and this is an oatmeal and coconut scented bar soap that I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all, look how big this bar soap is, and it really did shock me because how cleansing and moisturizing it was, and it also had a really beautiful soft scent. So I'm happy that I found that. Also, shout out to Just Kayla Michelle here on YouTube, because I saw that she had that on one of her videos, and I was like, I need to go pick that up. So I'm glad that I did pick it up. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and clean behind our ears, because we don't want our ears, well, we don't want the back of our ears smelling like quarters, nickels, and dimes. We're gonna cleanse our neck. We just gonna get every inch of the body with this soap. So can we get into this lather, honey? Like, this soap lathered up so beautifully, and y'all know we love a good lather around here. Go ahead and comment some bar soaps inside the comment section so I know that you still here rocking with your girl. And of course, I am using my African bath sponge to cleanse my body, because y'all know I love this thing. It's very exfoliating, and it just gives you a nice good cleanse. If you made it this far into the video, and if you are new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And if you can do me a big huge favor and hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and we would love for you to be a part of the family. After I cleanse my body, I'm going in with this Tree Hut Island Bliss Sugar Scrub in the scent Coconut. Y'all, look at this like product shot. Like, it is so beautiful. It is a pretty purple magenta color, and it just smells so good. Like, it has this really beautiful scent of coconut, and I just absolutely love it. But y'all know I love Tree Hut scrubs. Like, I just really love that really good exfoliation, and these scrubs just never miss. Like, they always hit the spot, and the smell was absolutely amazing, like I already said. Y'all, after rinsing off my skin from exfoliating, my skin just felt oh so good. Like, yes. But now I'm going in with this OGX coconut oil body wash, and y'all, This freaking body wash is so freaking moisturizing. I love the way how it just feels. Like, it's super creamy, and it also just smells so beautiful. It is this very sweet coconut scent, and I just really enjoyed it. This body wash with my silicone loofah that I got off of Amazon. Y'all, I've been so obsessed since I got this silicone loofah to use on my skin. I like to use it with like my scented moisturizing body wash, because like it just gives like a really nice even distribution of the body wash, and it just feels really good on the skin. So I'll be sure to make sure I link that inside the description box. And you can also find it inside of my Amazon storefront, which will also be inside of the description box if you're interested. Of course, we got to take care of our lady bits, and I'm using the Honey Pot feminine wash in the scent Normal. I love this feminine wash, so I like to use it on my downstairs area and also on my back end. So now that everything is all nice, cleansed and exfoliated, smelling good, I'm just using my towel to pat dry, but I'm also keeping my skin a little damp. So when I apply my moisturizers, my skin could be super moisturized. So of course I'm going in with an oil, and this oil is from Aveeno, and it has oat oil and jojoba oil in it. And y'all, this oil smells really good. It has a very sweet scent, and I really did enjoy using this product. And of course I'm putting it all over my body while my skin is nice and damp. The only thing that I did not like about the bottle is the sprayer, because as soon as you get oil on your hands, it's kind of hard to, you know, apply more oil onto the skin without the bottle slipping out your hands. So I'm going in with this Arm & Hammer deodorant in the scent Coconut, because y'all know we don't want to be musty out here in these streets. And then I'm just following up with this EOS body lotion in the scent Coconut Waters. Y'all, this lotion smells so freaking good. It's very moisturizing, non-sticky, and it absorbs into the skin like super nice. And of course I'm just applying that all over the body, so everywhere on my body can be nice and moisturized. Now it's time for some smell good. Don't get me wrong, everything smells really good, but it's time for some perfume. So I'm going in with this pink coconut calypso body mist, body spray that I got from Bath and Body Works, and it just smells so good, so tropical. Smells just like coconuts. And yeah, I'm just spraying that all over my body, especially in the hot spots, like such as my wrist, my inner arm, my neck, behind my knees, on my clothes, all that. And then I'm just going to use this coconut perfume from Mix Bar, and this is just the icing on the cake. It's very beautiful, very light, very refreshing, and of course I'm just putting those in the hot spots on my body as well. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my coconut scented shower routine, body care routine. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.